Every night you sit with endless spreadsheets, wasting hours of your life. But still no clear insight is coming, only confusion is growing. In office meetings, boss is asking quick questions, but your reports are not giving answers. And pressure keeps building every single day. When others are showing dashboards and getting appreciation, you are left behind, watching silently, afraid that your promotion chance is slipping away.
But your story can change, because Power BI with Generative AI is here to make everything simple and powerful. This weekend, a brand new batch is starting, fully live, fully interactive, giving you real skills that are needed in today's data-driven world.
Already so many professionals and students have trusted this program, and their success stories are proof that this training really works.
From late-night confusion to boardroom confidence, you too can transform your career by mastering Power BI with the help of Generative AI.
Seats are limited, so don't wait. Join our business intelligence in Power BI with GenAI batch this weekend, and your future starts right now.